WTI, guys, I'm very sure scalpers will be having a life of their time, a time of their life skills. They'll be having a time of their life because all you've got to do in this box, okay? All you've got to do in this big fat box is to do what? Just do what? Just sell from here, buy here, sell here, and buy here. If you've been buying here, then you have to share the profit. Anyways, I'm just kidding. Okay, so it's been very, very, very interesting what oil can do when it's ranging. And I'm not new to this. Like I said, I've said that before. I'm really, really not new to this. And I'm not surprised. Okay, I'm not surprised at that. So let me quickly show you how many times oil has done this in the past. So look at this also at the top here. Market ranges, right? The market ranges for a very long time, right here. Okay, it ranges for a very long time. Also, something like that happened here also, but that is not much of a range anyways. Okay, so we're not going to count this as a range. So we have this also, a very big fat range. Okay, let's look at something else where oil has range. Another area that another time that oil ranges is right here. Okay, you can see another range that this should be like a month or two or a month and a half. You see this kind of range, all right? So that's another one. So let's go ahead and look for another one. Let's go ahead and look for another one right here. You can see it does this like almost every time, right? Almost every time. After it trends, it ranges, then it trends again, then it drops, okay, and then it ranges again, and then it keeps repeating the same thing over and over again. That's why there's a term that said the past repeats itself in the market, okay? What has happened before will likely happen again, all right? And this should actually put some scalpers and some range traders in a very comfortable perspective because, of course, they know oil ranges. All they have to do is just do what? Just wait for it to range. This is another time it ranges. And it ranges for like 2 weeks, minimally. Okay, it ranges for like 2 weeks. That's the lowest it could range. And that's fine. All right. So as a trader, you want to like be very careful and on how you relate to oil. Okay, when it trends also, oh boy, it did trend. It will give you all everything you need when it comes to trend. And sometimes a pullback is, as a matter of fact, it pulled back more than gold. Okay, it does pull back more than gold. So as you can see, all this kind of move, as you can see, all this kind of move, these are very interesting moves. No matter where you join, okay, you get to enter the market as well. It gets to carry you in. It doesn't just go like this and like gold. Okay, it doesn't just go like that. Okay, it goes back, do a little bit of pullback. It might be 38%, might be 45%, but it doesn't matter. But it does that pullback. Okay, it does it. Okay, these are gold moves. I mean, these are WTI moves, not like gold. Gold doesn't do pullback like that, right? And we've seen that a lot of times. I've seen that so many times that I'm tired of gold sometimes. Okay, this is another time that the market range, all right? Another time that it ranges, and this is very, very, this might be a month kind of range. It might be a month kind of range. This is too much. This is so much. What? Okay. Anyway, so that is just that. Oh, excuse me. I think I dragged it too much. I thought I had to drag it. So that's like 48 days. That's like 48 days. So guys, the plan here is to, let's go back to where we came from. Okay. So let's go back to where we came from, guys. Okay. And the market is still ranging. So what we can see a similar path on WTI, and we can relate to it that, okay, this range is not absurd and the range is not out of place. Okay, what will be out of place is if we are planning on trading this and we don't have any, if we think of trading this and we don't have any plan. Okay, so the plan is still remain the same. It's still quite basic. Okay, a break to the upside, pull back, continuation, a break to the downside, pull back, continuation. And I explained how I'm going to target all this sell trade yesterday. You can check yesterday's video out. All right. If you I've not catch up on that. So that's that, guys. And secondly, it's the market is more leaning to the bearish side, though. It's more leaning to the bearish. So I will be looking forward to take a short trade. Then I will be looking forward to a buy trade. All right. And that's that on WTI, guys. I'm gonna catch you later. Okay, just stay close to the market. You can put your notification in. Okay, I already have one there myself. Okay. All right. Yeah, I already have one notification right there, and it's decisively below here. Okay, so once the market come back to break below that area, I will be looking to take a short trade. All right. So that's the plan, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.